Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's sure to revolutionize the way you approach image generation. If you've been using Midjourney and looking for something even better, you're in for a treat. I'm thrilled to introduce you to the fantastic world of Blue Willow AI and its amazing free image generators. Stick around as we explore the top Midjourney alternatives that will take your creations to the next level. Let's get started. We all know that Midjourney has been a popular choice for image generation, but the problem is it is paid. It's time to move on to a new AI tool which is far better than Midjourney, and the best part of this AI tool is free to use. You can earn dollars by providing services on different freelancing platforms. Now go to Google and type bluewillow.ai and join the first link. Now the website is open and you can join the free beta. Now put the username you want and click on the continue button. Now put some personal details, such as your date of birthday. Here I am, enter my date of birthday and click the save button. Now you have to put your email address and password you want and click on the create account button. And boom, your account is created. After creating an account, you have received a verification email from Blue Willow. You have to verify the email by simply clicking the verify button. And your email is verified. Look, Blue Willow Discord is open. Click any of the Discord rooms and you are entered into this room. Now click the plus sign and type imagine and a prompt is open for your idea. Now go to ChatGPT and type, give me some prompt ideas that I use to generate AI images. ChatGPT gives you several ideas. Pick any of them. I will pick the first idea and paste it to the Blue Willow tool to check what AI image it gives. Look, it provides exactly what I give him. I want more images related to this. I like the fourth one image, so I click U4 to find more images of this type. And look, it provides exactly that type of image. Now I am giving Blue Willow another prompt. Generate image of specific alien landscape such as barren desert planet with towering rock formations, a lush jungle planet with giant flora and fauna, or an icy planet with frozen oceans, strange ice formation. And waiting for Blue Willow response, what kind of AI image is generated? And look, it will give exactly the same AI image that I provide a prompt. So I hope you will find this AI tool interesting, and the best part is it is totally free, comparatively to Midjourney which has a paid option. Before you go, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.